There's a couple of different ways to organize your apps on Android, and the way this works and how it looks kind of depends on the phone you have. I'll show this on both Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel. On Samsung, you can have the app drawer in an alphabetical order like this. You scroll down and all your apps are listed alphabetically, and you cannot change this order. If you want a custom order where you could put your most used apps first, we can change that. First, you'll tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap Sort, and you can choose between the alphabetical order or a custom order. Choosing the custom order allows you to manually rearrange the apps, and it also switches your app drawer from a vertically scrolling list into these app pages that you can swipe left and right. To move your apps, you'll just tap, hold, and drag them. And you can drag them anywhere, either within the same page, or you can move them across different app pages. Personally, I like this option more, and it's the same way things work on the home screen. You'll have your different pages, and you can drag apps between those pages and place them anywhere you want. Some Android phones will handle this slightly differently. On a Pixel phone, for example, the home screen works the same way. You'll have your separate pages, and you can move apps between those pages. But the app drawer itself cannot be customized on Pixel phones. It's in alphabetical order, and that's it. No way to change it. There are some suggested apps on the top which can often help, and I think the way Google wants you to use this is to basically use the search bar to quickly find any app. You can set the search bar to be always visible, and it does work really fast when you type in a few letters. But if you want to fully customize the order of your apps, you'll have to use the home screen for that on a Pixel phone. And of course, to add apps to your home screen, you'll just tap and hold an app and choose Add to Home Screen. You can add as many as you want, and you can use those home screen pages as your custom app grid. And that's how you organize your apps on Android. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.